Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayesh and you are watching JMAT English Academy. So I hope you all are doing fantastic, and today we are going to discuss about vocabulary. So many people have asked that how to learn vocabulary, how to build vocabulary, is vocabulary important to learn English, and many more questions. And I would like to tell you, each one of you guys, that everything is important, but you should know the process, in which process you are following. And every step has process, and you should follow the process. If you are in a beginner level and you are practicing level 3 exercise, that will not going to help you. If you are in a beginner level and you are practicing level 3 or level 4 or advanced structure you are practicing, that will not going to help you at all. And vocabulary is like, what do you mean by vocabulary? What do you understand by vocabulary? Vocabulary is like, beautify the language. If you know the basic, if you know many things, any language, so you can use that bhari bharkam words, and you can beautify, आप सजा सकते हो उस language को, right? So vocabulary is for beautify the language, but you don't know basic of any language, then what would be the use of that vocabulary? That will going to be useless, right? So you should know the basic. If you are in a beginner level, so I would request you guys, if you are in a beginner level, don't focus on vocabulary. Don't focus on vocabulary at all. Listen to me very carefully. What I'm saying is, I'm not saying vocabulary is not important. Vocabulary is most important thing in English. If you have vocabulary, so you can express your thoughts, your views in a different way. But in the initial, if you are thinking about vocabulary and all those things, so when will you strong your basic? When will you strong your foundation? And basic is foundation of English. Basic should be strong. If your basic is strong, then you can learn anything. You can learn any vocabulary word, and you can use that particular word in that same structure, if your foundation is strong. But if your foundation is not strong, then what would be the use of that particular vocabulary? So by this video, I just want to share with you that don't focus on lots of things. Everything is important. Don't think that this is not important and this is very important. Nothing is like that. Everything is important, and every step has process, and you should follow the process. If you are not following the correct process, then you will not going to learn, right? If you are in a beginner level, then don't focus on vocabulary and any advanced structure. Just be consistent and focus on basic structures, basic grammars, basic spoken English rules, and so many things. But if you are in a beginner level and you are thinking about the level number 3 and level number 4, so that will make you confused, right? So don't think about that, all those things. That is, all those things are important. All those things are important, but not now. If you are in a beginner level, then just focus on basic spoken English, basic rules, basic structures. Make your basics strong first. Then you can go for advanced and intermediate. If you are in an intermediate level and if you are in a advanced level, then you can focus on vocabulary, and so many advanced structures are there. So you can go for it. Nobody will going to stop you, right? So yes, so what I was saying, don't focus on so many things. Just focus on basic. If you are in an intermediate level, just focus on basic and basic spoken English rules and basic structure and so many things. If you are in intermediate level or advanced learner, then you can focus on, and you can learn one word a day. One word a day. Don't do like 10 words in a day, 20 words in a day. That will not going to help you at all. If you are learning 20 words, 30 words, 10 words daily, so you even not remember one single word. You cannot remember one single word. So learn one word a day, two words a day, or you can create while speaking. If you are practicing with someone, then you can create that particular scenario and particular situation. Then you have to use that particular word while speaking. That's how your vocabulary will improve, right? If you are learning 10, 20 words daily basis, so that will not going to help you, and you cannot even remember one single word, right? So if you are a beginner, again I'm saying guys, if you are a beginner, don't focus on so many things, and uh, don't be like, be have patience guys, have patience, be consistent, and do whatever you want to do. But if just follow the right method, if you are following the right method, you will get whatever you want. But if you are not following the right method, that then you will not get what you want in your life, right? So follow the process, and you will learn everything guys. English is not that much big thing guys. People have done so many big thing in their life, and English is a small thing. You can learn easily, but have patience, be consistent, and practice on a daily basis. Speaking is must. If you want to learn English, speaking is must. Without speaking you cannot learn anything, right? Spoken English, speaking is must. Find a partner with whom you can practice, and if you don't have any speaking partner, then you can speak with yourself. You can speak with yourself wherever you are sitting. Just see around you what is there, and you can speak around that particular thing, right? So that's how you can see guys. If you are in a traffic, so you can visualize that the particular things. Okay, I'm in a traffic and so many people are there, we are stuck in the traffic. Like these, you can express your views, and that's how you will learn guys. Don't cry all the time that I don't have this, I don't know this, I don't know that. Don't do that. Nobody likes this kind of people. रोंदू को कोई नहीं पसंद करता है. And always have patience and keep practicing guys. English is a small thing, you can learn very easily, but have patience, and keep practicing, and do whatever you want to do guys. Just enjoy the process, that is most important. That is what I want to share with this video guys. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. If you have any doubts, you can comment in this video itself. And thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep enjoying. Thank you so much.